All right, pretty much close to being finished with the head. Here's what it looks like. Looks pretty good. Still have to do the bottom jaw stuff, but I think I'm gonna do that in expanded metal, and we're gonna do that when it's hanging from the torso. After I got done with this, I went ahead and made some eyes, and they go right about there. I think they look pretty good. There's the other one. But yeah, I think we're on to something now. Yeah. So I want to weld these eyes on, and I think we're gonna hang it. So
come on. Yeah. Come on.
Matt's gonna shoot a old pistol.
Flintlock.
Flintlock pistol.
Was that 50 caliber? 50 caliber.
Look at that. Sweet, sweet thing.
Ready to go. Don't point it downhill, the ball will roll out. Yeah, put it right in the middle of that black pallet. Fire in the hole. Ah, yeah, baby, that's cool. Did you see it? That worked. That was quick. I thought it would.
That was awesome.
It goes click, and then you're like, oh. Alrighty. Put 2 balls in it. No, I don't think so. Aren't you supposed to put your lips around the end of the barrel and blow on it? I seen him do that. I seen him do that in the
Yeah, yeah, of course. Yeah, you just put your lips around it.
Yeah, I got it all in there. Yeah, put a little extra.
There it goes.
Alrighty. There you go. It's ready to cock and fire when you are. Maybe get a little closer to the edge. A little closer. No, I'm just kidding you. Some glasses? Just close your eyes. Fire in the hole. Oh, hold it. Don't move. That was scary. Yeah! You hit something. I heard it.
I aimed right at that wooden pallet.
Yeah, I heard it hit it.
I like that. Oh, you hear it? You hear it?
It bounced off.
Down the hill.
Yeah, it's down there somewhere.
Yeah.
You give it a whirl? Yeah, why not?
Yay.
The other end.
Yeah, the other end.
I ain't blowing that.
Where'd you find that?
I bought it at a thrift store.
Oh.
Yeah. In California too. Right.
Well, you're allowed to have those,
Yeah.
right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can't hurt anybody with those apparently.
No. Right.
Those are like pop guns.
Dirty. Yeah, exactly. There.
Oh yeah, that's the sound.
There you go, sir. Ain't much of a handle. No. See that rock down there in the middle?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Hit the dirt? Yeah?
Yeah.
Where?
Somewhere.
Some
I saw
rock
some
flying.
dust.
Yeah, just to the right of that 4x4 or whatever.
It's a sweet little pistol.
We can clean it. Right?
Sonny is, you can't see him, but he's cutting the expanded metal that's gonna go on the back side of the head and on the front side of the neck, so it attaches the two. And then that's the last thing that we're that needs to be done. And then this thing will be done. 4 days, actually. First day was kind of like a half day, so 3.5 days for something this big and this detailed is kind of crazy, but I think we accomplished it, which is I'm so tired right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and tell me what you think about this build, because it took a lot of effort and a lot of hustling, but I'm really happy the way it turned out. I'm gonna leave what my thoughts are on this build at the end of this video, so stick around till the end. Thank you for watching, guys.
To Jurassic Park.
Hey guys, it's been a few weeks since the dinosaur build. If you've made it to this video, I appreciate you guys watching all 4 episodes. If not, go back and watch the previous 3 episodes. I'd like to leave you with my thoughts on this build, a couple pros and cons of it. Obviously, cons would have to be the amount of time that we did this build in. I'd really rather it be months maybe to do this type of build, but pros is I think we got a good end product. Another con, maybe it's not anatomically correct in my opinion, and you know, from past builds, I like to build things more to scale, and accuracy is key in when I build things. I think we kind of did really well considering we had 3.5 days to build it. We had no plans or no idea how or what we were going to build it with before I even got there. My uncle is very happy with it, and honestly, that's all that matters. He's super stoked about it and he loves it. I'm just gonna say again, please like, share, and subscribe. That'd be great. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you thought about the whole build series or just this video. I like feedback, whether it be negative or positive. So thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hey, Grumpy. Come on, let's race. Leave my tires alone. Come on, let's race. Come on. Woo-hoo! I win. Where'd he go? There he is, backstage all pouting.